All the information in this video is brought to you in association with Relocate Limited. My only regret is that I didn't know these earlier.
Today we will discuss the most common mistakes you need to avoid for a smooth PR journey to Canada. Hi, we are a young couple who decided to relocate to Canada. While researching for our Canadian PR process, we partnered up with immigration agency Relocate Limited to bring authentic fact-checked information for you on our channel. If you want to relocate to Canada, the only thing you need to do is subscribe to our channel and never miss an update on Canadian immigration.
Whenever you want to start your PR journey to Canada, you want it to be smooth and without any hiccups. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Mistake number 1. Who should be the primary applicant in a couple's Express Entry profile? Calculate the CRS score both ways. See when you get a higher score. See which partner has in-demand NOG, increasing your chances to get a PNP. Professional immigration agency like Relocate Limited can give you an extra edge here. If one of the partners is in a regulated profession, there is no or very little chance to get a PNP if he becomes a primary applicant. So keep all these factors in mind while deciding who should be the primary applicant.
Mistake number 2. Incorrect proof of funds.
This is a really important document which is the cause of rejection for many PRs. Proof of funds in its simplest format consists of a 6 month saving account summary with average balance for each month and a cumulative 6 monthly average balance in INR as well as CAD. This account should be in the name of the primary applicant. Now, these are not hard and fast rules. For instance, you can have money in the secondary applicant's name with an authorization letter from your spouse, or can get a gift deed from parents with a gift deed certificate. You can further complicate the process by adding funds from multiple sources like mutual funds, provident funds, liquid stocks, etc. The more layers you add, the harder it will be for you to put together all the paperwork and more complicated for the immigration officer to give you the green light. I believe in keeping it simple for you and everyone involved in this process. If you have funds in multiple assets, break them down until you have around 9 to 10 lakh rupees or 17,000 Canadian dollars and bring everything into one single account belonging to the primary applicant. Thereafter, just let the money sit for 6 months at least. Normally, after you get an ITA, you will have only 60 days to submit your documents. Hence, building a 6 monthly average balance is not possible then. The exact amount will vary depending upon the number of family members. You can pause the video now to check the proof of funds requirement for you according to how many people you have in your family right now. Keep a little buffer above the amount you need to account for the variability in currency exchange prices.
To arrange your case properly upfront and without any inconveniences, you can seek professional help from a trusted immigration agency like Relocate Limited that will provide lawyer assistance for specific cases. Mistake number 3. Faulty experience certificate. First, you must see what is your NOC code and check duties enlisted under your respective NOC code on the ESDC Canada website. Link is in the description. Make sure the duties on your job experience certificate matches with the NOC code description. Choose your NOC wisely.
The first dilemma you would face even before taking the first steps towards Canadian PR is, should I do it myself or hire someone for it? Ultimately, this is a question with no single correct answer. For us, we choose to do it ourselves since we have a pretty straightforward case and are quite meticulous with paperwork. If that's you, then yes, you can do it yourself. But if your situation is complicated or it's just too overwhelming for you, there's nothing wrong in asking for help. However, if you choose so, make sure you are hiring someone with rich experience in different immigration cases like Relocate Limited that can also assign you one of their IRCC lawyers by need. If you are interested or you have any other immigration queries, please click the first link in the description below and fill out the form. A team member from Relocate Limited will reach out to you.
Step 1 would be going to the description of this video and clicking the first link to check your eligibility. If you are eligible for the Express Entry program, you would then choose the plan you want. The basic plan for $1,750 covers you for assessment of your profile, a lawyer escort, registration of your profile in the express entry system, mentorship for each step of the way, and you will also get your express entry case login details so that everything is transparent and you are in complete control of your immigration process. If you wish assistance and mentorship in pre-express entry registration steps like IELTS exam and VES approval, also job search assistance before you even land in Canada, you can go for this plan over here. To add a cherry on top, if you use our affiliate link to purchase these plans, you will also get a 15% discount which amounts to $400 and $260 respectively.